To all my loyal viewers, supporters, the ones that we are watching now say nothing, no worry, still as soon. Love on the same way. To all my new subscribers, my potential subscribers, what are you waiting for? Click that notification bell. Up, the kitchen will get started and we have some nice things are going on in there. And for all of the people them way,
love them belly.
yeah man, the show will start.
So this is what it looks like after about an hour and about 20 minutes. So now this is my fun part. We're gonna punch the air out, and then on a flour surface, I'm gonna turn it over. We got it over here. All right. Now, what I'm going to be doing is just cutting, or doing half. Put one piece aside and work on the other piece. We're looking to roll this about 8 inches, trying to keep it as even as possible. So about 6.5 or 6 inches. Have my ruler here used for baking. So I'm going to go ahead and shape this. Now what we're trying to do is to roll it to the size of the pan that you're going to add it to. So if it is you're using a bigger pan, then that's fine. You don't have to roll it by that much, or you can roll it far more than that. And then we got the length that we're looking for. Perfect. We're going to move on now to filling our dough. Cutting this in half. Just roll it out just a little bit. Good. That's one piece. Take the next piece, do the same. Because we're looking for it to be as even as possible. Right around.
Now it's time to add the filling. Now we take the spatula and spread the filling. Now we're going to take chocolate chips and put them on it.
Add more?
You can get messy, but that doesn't matter.
All the chocolate chips that you want.
And I want everything on it.
That's fine.
Okay. Whoa, it's raining chocolate. chocolate chips. Oh,
And we're done.
yeah. Now we're gonna press it in. Now we're gonna cut the middle. Isn't that fun? Now, cut slightly. It's gonna be even.
Alright.
And then the other side. And then the right side.
That's
And
right.
then you're gonna do it in the middle.
And we're done. Alright.
Now it's time to spray the bowl.
Alright, so this is a pirate fish. You can use whatever shape and size you want. And we're just gonna grease it and set it. And we're gonna add our pull-apart bread.
Oh,
Don't worry about that, it's fine. Just gonna set it up.
okay. Can I help?
Sure.
This looks tasty. Yum yum.
Yes.
Oh, it's like cheese.
Yes, you can eat it.
Mm-hmm.
Stuff it on one side. There you go.
Oh, we only have 2 more pieces left.
That's fine.
But we need more than 2 pieces.
And we're gonna end up with more than 2 pieces. Don't worry about it.
How?
Magic.
Only a miracle can save us.
Well, beg God to work a miracle. Alright, so we're gonna set this aside and we're gonna fill the rest of our dough. Get going. Alright, so in the previous video, I know I mentioned that I had some homemade strawberry jelly. However, thanks to somebody, he ate it all off. So, in the Christmas time, I made some sorrel and strawberry jelly. So I'll be using that as fillings for the rest of my cinnamon pull-apart bread. I'm just gonna add some of the cinnamon filling. Like I said, use any filling you like. If you want to keep it simple, you can, because it does get a little sweet, so you want to be careful. We're going to add it, then we're going to take our offset spatula. We're just going to spread it around. Add as much as you like. Don't be shy. Sweet too, doesn't hurt.
Yeah, but too much sugar can cause you a bad toothache.
Right, so we don't want to put too much. Alrighty, so the jelly does get a little messy, but that's fine. It was one of the requested flavors by the little one. She said she wanted strawberry jelly, that's fine. And on this side, we have cinnamon, and of course, we have chocolate chip and cinnamon. Now, we're gonna cover this up with a cling wrap, cover it also with a piece of clean tablecloth, and we're gonna put it in a warm place again for about 20 minutes tops. We're gonna let it proof a little bit more, and then we're gonna be back to see what it looks like. All right, so it's been roughly about 20 minutes. Some are a little big, but that's fine, don't worry about it. So before I put them in the oven, just kind of just fill in the gaps real quick. With that, and for her sake, I just add a few more chocolate chips here and there. Just gently, we don't want to damage your dough, really. Oh wait, sorry. Let's add a few more chocolate chips. Then we're gonna have our egg wash, which is about 2 teaspoons of milk with a whole egg beaten. We're gonna just brush that over to give us that golden top that we want. Just brush it in. And then when we're through, we're gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees. We're gonna bake it for 30 to 45 minutes, and then we'll be back. So, a certain someone, that certain someone being me, never thought of the fact that I normally bake my cinnamon breads and cinnamon rolls in bigger containers. So I was just focusing on, you know, the fancy Pyrex dish, and yeah. Anyways, there you go. Cinnamon bread. Yay! Get a closer look. Okay, so normally when I have mishaps like this in the kitchen and it's for a specific purpose, I redo it. So I thought about, okay, you know what? Next week I'll do another one and do it perfectly this time. But I thought about it and I said to myself, you know what? I'm gonna do this for the persons out there who I've spoken to and those who I don't know, of course, who say, listen, I don't bake, I don't cook because I am intimidated, I am afraid it won't come out well, I just can't do it. It's just to show that things like these will happen from time to time, and it doesn't mean you failed. This is still actually a pretty good bread. Everything is fine with it. The only thing is, me nearly burned down the house, but that's between me and Uno. Yeah, so it it overflowed in the oven, right? And I had to, you know, it was actually when I was doing something, I was like, wait a minute, why am I put so much? And then by the time I got here, it was too late. I opened the oven, you know, it was like I needed to call the firefighter. So it was just chocolates and stuff that overflowed and stuck to the bottom and it was burning. So I had to put a tray under it and you know, trim the edges and go again. So about half the amount of dough you see me put in there, that amount is fine. So it's still perfect. It's still in my own eyes because, you know, perfect ain't perfect. So this is what we have: cinnamon pull-apart bread. This is her favorite part, by the way, the chocolate part. Mm-hmm. So now we're gonna show you why we call it pull-apart. So you're gonna take a piece. You're just gonna pull it apart bits by bits.
That's why it's called pull-apart bread.
That is correct. You got a little piece. See, you have the chocolates. and everything. Could have used more cinnamon, sugar if you wanted, but like I said, it's pretty sweet, so I wanted to keep the sugar level pretty, under control.
It doesn't care. It just cares if it's good.
And is it?
Yeah.
There you go. This is my favorite piece. Sorrel, strawberry.
If you like cinnamon pull apart bread too, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you later for our next episode. Bye guys.
Bye.
Good.
Yeah, I know. It's chocolate.
So good. I could eat this for days.
No, you're not.
Next time on our next episode.
Thanks again for tuning into Nate's Kitchen. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell for any new content we drop. Yeah man. Alright, like, share, leave your comments below. Any questions or queries. Respect.